Welcome to Write Ideas with Susan. Today I've got a great Christmas craft idea to show you. As you can see, I'm going to teach you how to take gum nuts and turn them into these beautiful little sparkly ornaments. Now kids love to do this. You can do it with your kids at home, you can do it at school, you can do it at church, and you know what? I have done this craft at women's conferences both here in Australia as well as all the way in India. So adults and kids both enjoy this craft. Now today, first I'm going to show you how to decorate them, which is the fun part. And then I'm going to show you how to go gum nut hunting. And then I'm going to show you how to prepare them, which takes a bit of time and is not as fun. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, this is what you need: a prepared gum nut, some PVC glue, some paintbrushes, glitter, and a drying rack. Now when you're decorating with young children, 2 colors works best. First, get them to paint the full nut with glue. Don't glob it on too much. And then they sprinkle the color. Then you let it dry for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And then can just get them to paint the bottom part of the gum nut and sprinkle a different color. With older kids and adults, you can add more detail or color. You can paint and glitter part of it, then let it dry, come back and do another color, and so on. You can also paint it fully, let it dry, and then paint on top of the layers like a heart design or the star design. And it's always better to leave the light colors last, so start with the darker color on the bottom, light color on top. And to make it even easier, you can mark the nut with a pattern first. Well, how do you go hunting for the nuts? Well, first of all, you got to become familiar with the type of tree, and you'll see them all around once you start familiarizing yourself with them. Lorikeets love them. They bloom and then they form the nuts. So you collect them, and then you need to put them in a warm, dry spot for a month or two and let all the seeds and stuff fall out of it, because they need to open up and you need to get rid of the stuff on the inside. Or if you're in a hurry, put them in the hot sun for a week or two. Then you need to take some time and scrape out the stuff on the inside. And you might need to do this a couple of times over with each nut. Next, you'll need these materials for the bow and hanging string. The bows are the most time-consuming of all, so get a bunch done. Then take the string, tie it around, daub some hot glue on it, add the bow, wait a minute, and then tie the top. Then your nut is ready for decorating. Now I'm going to give you a couple of minutes of gum nut therapy. It really is like therapy when you're decorating these. Now once you've finished it, you can pop them in a little bag and give them as a gift, or you can make a necklace out of them. We've often put them on the dinner table at Christmas time as a decoration and a take-home. Also, you can put them on a wine bottle if you're bringing a gift of wine to someone's house. The other thing my daughter did is she made heaps of them. She sold them at the markets, and she earned money as she wanted to do mission trip overseas for summer, and she did a lot of these for that. So you can use it as a fundraiser too. An extra idea that can come out of this is an object lesson. Of course, you can share the parable of the sower and the seeds, and because there's so many seeds inside these nuts, and you can turn this into an object lesson. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe if you'd like more ideas like this. Thanks again for watching, and I could use a little help. I found these the other day when I went on a walk, and I wondered, what can we do with these? So let me know if you've got any ideas. I think there's an idea here. Thanks again for watching.